Hey guys, this is Try269. I actually changed accounts. My own name was Hinderman Productions. So if you guys were subbed to me, please sub back. I got a box of 09 Contenders today, and I'll just go through the rookies and inserts. Rookie of the Year Contenders: Aaron Curry, Matthew Stafford, Derek Williams, rookie roll call: Chris Beanie Wells, Kenny Britt, and Brian Robisky. Round 1 numbers of Mike Wallace and Ramses Barden. Duel. Round 4 numbers of Sean Nelson and Lewis Murphy. Round 1 again of Tyson Jackson and Aaron Curry. Draft class of Stephen McGee and Kelvin Oaktree of Cowboys. Jason Smith and James Laurinaitis for the Rams. Noshawn Marino and Kenny McKinley, dual rookie, out of 100. And Vontae Davis and Pat White, rookie. Legendary Contenders of Roger Craig, Jack Youngblood, Rick Caraces, right there, out of 100, and a Paul Hornig. So those are just the base and rookies, or inserts and rookies. The whole stack of base is right here. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Then the hits. Got a Derek Williams. I'm not going to show off the code, but Derek Williams. Contenders auto. It actually expires, but it still took it on that online, so that's pretty cool. And I also think I got the whole Dolphins rookie team. John Nalbone. Contenders auto. Get his name on there. John Nalbone. Patrick Turner. Brian Hartline. And probably the nicest one was the Austin Collie rookie auto. So these will be listed on eBay as well as my other cards. So if you guys want the eBay link or anything, just let me know. But again, I'm Try269 and I was formerly Hinderman Productions. So this is obviously my first video. Thanks for watching.